Sifting through the broken glass, the echoes of my ancient past came flooding into every pore like scattered seeds of sycamore. Suddenly I started wondering how I got here. Was it a matter of time? Stuttered till the age of 12, discovered sex at 17, and soon thereafter self-esteem. The days did not matter, and years were a lifetime away. Drowning in a heavy stock of teenage girls and indie rock, I flunked out of each college course and set my sails for no remorse. The nights were for nowhere, and that's where I wanted to be. Someone said, it's not a matter of time, it's just a matter of timing. Do you ever wonder how you got to here? It's not a matter of time, it's just a matter of timing. Do you ever wonder how you got to here? Branded, marked, and paper thin, this angry saint went marching into war with scores of 90 proof. Found nothing but the ugly truth. The decade of wastage, an instant, and everything's changed. Woke up feeling 35, the grateful that I'm still alive. Another chance at normalcy, to chase the dream, but now it seems the days run away like wild horses over the hills. Someone said, it's not a matter of time, it's just a matter of time.